person needs a best friend, and the Norwex EnviroCloth's best friend is the window cloth. It has many of the same benefits that the EnviroCloth has that we all love. It has the ability to pick up to 99% of bacteria from a surface when used and cared for properly. It too has the backlock agent, therefore it's self-cleansing. Some of my favorite places to use it are after the EnviroCloth on dirty surfaces such as windows, mirrors, and stainless steel. That's using just water, and the polishing cloth is what we call it in our house, is what comes behind it just like a best friend would and gives it a perfectly streak-free, lint-free shine. Other surfaces that may not be as dirty, such as bathroom faucets or a mirror in your bathroom that may be steamy from a shower that you want to wipe down, this is the perfect pair to that, where you can just wipe it down and not have any streaks or any lint in an effortless, safe and effective way. You're gonna love having the window cloth in your house, and it's a must with its best friend, the EnviroCloth, for windows, mirrors, and stainless steel products. Other times you may just want to have one of these handy for those lightly soiled surfaces that just need a quick shine. You will not regret having these, and your pocketbook and budget will love not having to buy and throw away these. It's the safe and effective way to get those shines.